Hi, I'm Cutie Cupcake.
Who are they? I don't know. Let's go check. New pack members? Come on, let's go see. Okay. We're here. Wow, this is a really big pack. Like, really big. Whoa. Ooh, nice place. Oh, hey. Hey, who are they? New pack members. Ooh, new pack members? Yep.
New pack members.
Are you sure they're friendly? I don't know. Just a second, y'all. Okay.
Hello.
Hi. Are you a new pack member? Yeah. Cool. I'm Caroline. Nice to meet you, Caroline. You know how to hunt? Yep. Good. Omega? Alpha? I'm an alpha. Good. Well, at least you're good at hunting. Okay, then. I could give you guys a tour if you want. Sure, that'd be nice. Follow me. All right. Go on the tour with her. She'll show you around. All right, thanks. All right, first this is... What was that? Just a second, guys. I wonder why there's growling. Yeah, should we go check it out? Of course.
Can you guys just leave me alone? We said no. Now get out of here before we make you our dinner. You heard her. Leave. I just need to get something. No. Oh dear.
What is going on here?
Someone's trying to get into our territory. I'm just trying to get food. Now, if you excuse me, let me go. No. Everyone move. Please. Yeah, we'll move. Okay.
Excuse me? What do you think you're doing in our territory?
All I want to do is just get some food now. If you excuse me, please let me go and let me live my normal life like I usually do.
Well, you're gonna have to find food somewhere else.
Well, I like the food here.
You better scram before I bite you.
Hey, come back! Someone go get her.
I'll get her.
Get off me! Get off me! We said get out of our territory.
You better leave now before she bites your face off.
All right, I'll leave.
Thanks, Caroline.
No problem, lead. What happened? That is scary.
Nothing, guys. We're fine. Just a trespasser.
Well, it was a sheep. Couldn't you just hunt it?
I could have, but I'm a good person.
She said you were gonna rip her face off. Weren't you?
Not actually. Oh, man.
Oh yeah, by the way, who wants to go hunting? We do. I do.
You two can come, but you guys are too young.
Oh man.
Maybe next time when you get a little older.
Okay. Come on, let's go. All right.
Are you guys ready to go hunting?
Of course we are. I really want to go hunting.
Yeah.
Alrighty then. Come on, y'all. All right.
Ugh.